Hello, students. I'm so excited for a mini lesson with y'all today about multiplication. And we're going to go all the way back to our first unit and talk about place value. So y'all are jamming right along with OdysseyWare, and OdysseyWare is connected with what we're doing in class. But sometimes it's good to have a little lesson. So we wanted to talk about multiplication. Our next unit, it goes pretty intense with multiplication. It goes from third grade, where you were really working on facts and 2 by 1, 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. And we're going to move on up to 2 digits by 2 digits and up to 4 digits by 1. So we want to start with a basis and kind of a foundation with that. So we're going to come back over and over again to this place value chart. In fourth grade, you work all the way up to the millions place. And we're going to use our understanding of a place value chart to work on some multiplication. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to talk about is 3 times 10. Now, again, if you look at our place value chart, if I were to put 3 in the place value chart to start, I know 3 in my place value chart is in the ones place. So here's my ones place. Now, anything to the left of this place value chart, if it's times 10, it moves to the left of that place value chart. So my 3 is now 30. So that's what we're going to use our place value chart for. So if you got 30 as your first answer, great job. So what I want to encourage you for the next one, 10 times 18. I want to encourage you, stop this film and make a place value chart. And you can always use this one. So make a place value chart on your desk. So I'm going to show you while you make one. Or you can do it with me and then pause when you're ready to solve. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and our millions place. So I'm going to show you a little closer up. Miss Holly does not have the best handwriting, but it's just about trying our best. So I'm going to make these long so that I can keep using just one place value chart. Here we go. Okay, so we're ready. We've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. That's how far we go in fourth grade. So our next multiplication challenge is 10 times 18. So please pause this and solve it, and then press play, and you'll get the answer and see if you did it exactly like Miss Holly. So I place 18 in my place value chart. Times 10, everything shifts one time to the left because the hundreds place is 10 times greater than the tens place. So my 18 now transitions to 180. Did you get that for the next one? Great job. Now again, I'm going to use my place value chart, but this is 9 times 100. So try to solve it using your place value chart, pause it, and join in once you're done. So I'm going to place my 9 right here. Now it's times 10 if I do 1 hop to the left, but 100 means 2 hops because 10 times 10 gives me 100. So my 9 for 9 times 100 becomes 900. Did you get that? Great job. Let's move on. Looks like I might run out of room, so I'm going to have to make a new one. All right, we have 2 more. 16 times 1,000. Oh my word, you can do it. So I'm going to place 16 in here. Now you're doing this by yourself, so pause it and then check yourself once you're done. All right, so you joined in after you solved it. Now 1 hop is times 10. 2 hops is times 100. 3 hops is times 1,000. So my 16 times 1,000 now gives me 16,000. Did you get that? Amazing. Last but not least, 25 times 1,000, or 1,000 times 25. So I'm going to show you my work. 25 is right here, and I'm doing 25 times 1,000. So again, one movement to the left is times 10. 2 is times 100. 3 is times 1,000. I'm going to fill in with the zeros. So that gives me 25,000. Did you get that? I'm sure you did. Now, using what you understand and what we just worked on, we're going to challenge you and think about times 10 and make it a little more difficult. So a store has 8 employees. Each employee works 40 hours each week. How many total hours do the employees work during a week? So first you need to think about, what are they asking me to do? Well, each employee, let's think logically. Each employee, how many hours do they work? They work 40 hours, and there's 8. So it's asking you to multiply. I'm going to show you my work. It's asking you to multiply 8 times 40. Is everybody following me so far? I hope you're doing it with me. Now, I don't have to keep it at 8 times 40, do I? Can I break it apart to be a little friendlier? Could I make it 8 times 4 times 10? Can I do that? Yes, I can. So I could choose to solve it many different ways. Y'all have been working on your multiplication facts with the multiplication challenge and the PowerPoint. So if you know your facts, I could definitely start and do 8 times 4 and then multiply it by 10. So what's 8 times 4? 32. And then if you want to come back to your place value chart to use, I can come back here. I know that it's 32 times 10. So times 10, I go once to the left. That will give 320. So how we love to answer, we like to write it in a complete sentence. So I would say, so it asks how many total hours do the employees work during the week? The employees work 320 hours. Yay! I hope you paused this video and did it as you went. Now, this was a quick mini lesson about how you can use your understanding of place value and multiplication to help you solve our question about what's the best deal for Max. You can watch this as many times as you need to, and please use the place value chart and your understanding of multiplication. Have a great day, guys. I'm so proud of you.